Alright, so I lied. I didn't record my ride home because I wanted to save what was left of the battery for this group ride we're about to go on. The DJI is at 41%, so I'm going to see how far we can get. Hopefully the whole ride, but I'd be surprised. I've got a Ninja 400, the RC390, some sort of cruiser, and the MT-07. We're going on roads that I've never been on before, but he said these are the best twisties in the area, so I'm looking forward to it. It also might give me a new route to take on rides when I go by myself. I hope everything's recording. Should be good. Pretty sure. Yeah, that's a GoPro in my pocket. I'm not that excited. I don't know what kind of bike that is. Winding road, next 6 miles. That's awesome. It's a good sign. Oh, literally, pun intended, I guess. Oh, they're letting us pass. Like I said, I've never been on this road, so I definitely don't want to send it too much and come into a turn a little too hot and recreate my wreck video. So I gotta take it somewhat slow, just until I learn this road at least. Yeah, this one's pretty sharp. So far though. I did realize the GoPro had, I think, chain lube or something flung all over the lens, so hopefully that video of the pure sound, like the speed and stuff, hopefully that camera doesn't look too bad, because I didn't realize it was all covered. I definitely should have checked before I started recording, but I didn't. It's a little late now, so I will just see when I edit, but now I know for next time, I guess. I've had my helmet on for over 4 hours now, coming up on 5, so I'm a little dehydrated, so if I sound even worse than usual, that would be why. If I have a little bit of a hard time talking, more than I already do. I haven't had anything to eat or drink in 5 hours, so. And also the bike is nice and warm. It's very scenic back here. I like it. It's a nice little change from what I've been doing recently. Not gonna lie, my social battery ran out a while ago, so I haven't really said anything for, say, at least 5 minutes. So I feel like the bike's gonna be doing most of the talking in this video. I miss my house, so I'm being pretty quiet. I do apologize. Oh, here's the water they were talking about. Nice. I had no idea this was here. Big old lake, and I didn't even know. Huh. Well, now I have a different lake to go to. Oh, shit. Not good, not good, not good. Oh. Damn. My rear brakes started locking up there. Good thing I wasn't on the ZX-10. Those brakes wouldn't have worked. I would have totaled my brand new bike. Retotaled it. Is about to die. Camera I have on. Well, surprise ending to the video, I guess. While I still have the camera recording, thank you for watching. Appreciate it. I finally got another group ride in, and I got to go through like a nice scenic area, so it's a bit of a variety. So I hope you enjoyed. Again, we got an MT-07, a Ninja 400, an RC390, and some cruiser that I don't know what it is. But there's 5 of us. Fun little group ride. Hope you enjoyed it. Appreciate you watching.